Bling! Huh?
Hi everyone and welcome back to Daily Doodles. Today I'm going to show you how to draw the Pokemon Horsea. If you're new here, it would be awesome if you would stick around and subscribe for all of our daily doodle arty fun. And please leave a like, that would be great, and feel free to leave a comment and let me know something that you would like to learn how to draw next. Alright, so we are just gonna jump right into it. Alright, so let's get started drawing Horsea. I'm gonna start with the eye. I often do start with eyes, but we're doing it again. Alright, so a great big upside down U shape. And now we're going to do a bottom to that upside down U. And now we're going to do a curve like that. And then an inside oval, and that inside oval we're going to color in all black. All right, so next we're going to do a funny little shape. This is going to be kind of like Horsea's, well, it's Horsea's mouth, I guess. So that kind of a shape. And now we can do an oval here, and we can color that in all black too. All right, so now let's do the other eye. So the other eye is going to be right here. We do that upside down U shape, and then we can do that shape, and then the inside oval colored in all black. All right, so next let's do the shape of the head. So very rounded shape. And before we continue with this curve, we're going to do a funny little thing poking out right here. And there's going to be two more of those. So another little thing here. And another. All right, so that curve is kind of coming in behind those funny little things. All right, so now let's finish up that curve. Okay, so we got that head shape done, and now we need to do these three things over on this side. So we can do 1, 2, and 3. All right, so now we're going to come on down, and it's not a straight line, it's a bit curvy. Okay, so definitely not a straight line. And right here, we're going to do a big swirl. And this is going to curve in right here. And this big swirl, we're going to keep drawing and bring it all the way up here by the neck. So far this looks really, really silly, as if this entire thing is just Horsea's body. But let's keep going. All right, so let's bring another line down. And we can do these lines going across his belly. And now we've got kind of like a little wing, but I guess it's more like a little fin because it's a water Pokemon. And we're going to do one line and another line. And there we go, we're finished our drawing of Horsea. So I'm going to get started with some coloring. All right, folks, so we are finished drawing Horsea. Thank you very much for joining me today. I hope you have an awesome day, and I hope to see you back here tomorrow for whatever we draw next. Okay, everybody, goodbye.